County within the next 15 minutes from Noxubee County. I have not seen any reports on as far as damage. So that's the good news. The bad news are they're still rotating. So tornado warnings, more tornado warnings may be warranted. I do want to stress, if you're just joining us right now, we have a tornado emergency for Pickens County. This is going to be for the city of Reform right now, but we also have a tornado warning in effect until 5:30. That includes Carrollton and Reform, but the main threat now moving towards Reform. We also have a tornado warning that is in effect. Let me see if I can pop this up. I want to get the cities right.
And while you do that, I also want to stress, I saw on Twitter, if this tornado continues on this track, it could cross Highway 82 somewhere near Reform or Gordo within the next couple of minutes. So Gordo is definitely in the area of trouble as well.
Okay, and we just have a new report that a lot of damage has been reported to the Pickens County EMA on County Road 14 and near the women's prison. You heard Don mention that a few minutes ago as this thing was headed that way. So a lot of damage being reported near the women's prison. That's a problem. And again, still a strong indication of a tornado on the ground on radar. We have a tornado warning in effect until 6 p.m. for northeastern Pickens County, southwestern Fayette County, southeastern Lamar County, and northwestern Tuscaloosa County. Weather spotters are reporting a confirmed large tornado. If you're in a life-threatening situation, if you're in the path of this thing, it'll be deadly.
I don't know if it's gonna come the way my radar looks. It should come right through here, but hopefully it's gonna make a little right turn. We'll see. I've been tracking this thing for a while. And,
oh my God, for real?
Yeah. This is where I figured it was coming. I said it before they did.
Wow.
Let's hope it turns a little bit.
I was just excited that we slowed down.
I know, right? I've been going since about 8 this morning.
Really?
Yeah. Huh? Oh, somebody called it. Yeah, I know, right? Yeah, I spot for the weather service. Sky warning on. So somebody's got to do it. Somebody's got to be crazy.
Yeah, but my brother said that's what he always does.
You prayed up, right?
Oh yeah.
Good. There you go.
Ooh, look at
Yeah.
there.
I ain't never too.
Look.
Golly. I worry, but at the same time, it's just, you know,
Right,
somebody's got to do it.
Here it comes.
What we do saves lives.
that's
Right?
it. Because if it weren't for y'all, we wouldn't know.
That's right.
I appreciate you coming out there telling me, though.
Yeah. The state trooper just called in here. Said you got 5 minutes.